Uh-oh, no. No, no, whoa! If you want to know how I collect firewood to warm up our house here in the countryside of Japan, follow along and watch out this crazy video of Masato-san literally avoiding power lines, the tree that was touching the power line. That was quite an adventure yesterday. It's raining today, but we're going to go ahead and just knock over the trunk. Unfortunately, we had to cut down the tree because it was way too big and you can see it was too dangerous, but check this out. It's just crazy. I'm helping my neighbor cut down some trees. If you're wondering, how do I get some firewood here in the countryside? This is how. There's this guy up there, climbing up there. We're bringing the branches over here little by little, and later we will dispose of them. They're gonna renovate this house behind me, then I'll be loading it up on my truck. It's life in the countryside of Japan. Trying to pull it away from the electrical lines. Yeah, that one over there is leaning right over the electrical lines. Yikes. Getting creative with the truck over there. He's literally pulling it with the K-truck. Whoa, there it goes. Woo! Yay! Yeah.大丈夫です。Uh-oh, no. No, no, whoa! Yeah, really worried about that power line. But they're trying their best. Not looking good. Using a different truck to pull it. Multiple ropes. He's gonna back up. Been cutting down this huge tree all day long. That guy is very brave. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Ooh, ooh, whoa, 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 ooh, 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 whoa, whoa, whoa.
ああ、行く。あ、いいかも。
わーわーよくできました。
やったねー。よかったー。よかったー。
やったねって。
今度あなたが大変ね。
いや、そうね。大変。Come on. There he is. They showed up with an excavator. And yesterday we tried and tried and tried to push it over. This was just way too big. Oh, they're also going to go ahead and move the wood out here closer, easier to cut, which is nice. That would definitely make it a whole lot easier to retrieve all this wood, especially since the summer's coming. Yesterday we pushed and pushed and pried, pulled with a K-truck. No wonder. Wow. Yeah, good thing we gave up yesterday. There's no way we would have been able to do it. Ooh. Finish. This is what's causing all the trouble. Wow. Wow. Beautiful piece too. Well, that's been fun. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Again, I mean, this is the type of stuff that here in the countryside and community comes together, help each other out, and get this cleaned up. And at the same time, I received some firewood. And the huge trunk, we were talking about what could we do with it. It'd be really nice to make a beautiful table or something out of it. We gotta think about that. I need to find someone, I don't know, that has a mill or something like that. If anyone local knows, let me know, please.